Okay, so 13.7 is point slope form. So I can write equations of a line in point slope form. This is another type of line, another type of equation for a line. And so our vocab would be point slope. And so this is a linear equation written in the form y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And the line passes through the point x1, y1, and the slope of the line is m. So what this means, they're going to give you a point and they're going to give you the slope, and you have to write the equation from it. And so what's nice is instead of having to find that y-intercept, this form allows us to just take that point and plug it straight into a formula. So we have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And so what we're going to do is take out our m and we're going to put our slope there. So our slope was 2 over 3. And then they gave us a point. Well, this is x1 and this is y1. So I'm going to take out where that x1, y1 was, and I'm going to put in just that 1. And then I take out where my x1 is, and I'm going to place negative 6 there. But we have minus and negative, so that turns to a plus. And that's a 6. It's a very rough 6, but there it is. And so this is our equation. So this form here is one of the easiest to write because we don't have to find that slope or that y-intercept. We don't have to find a point in the graph. We just take that one point that's given and we put it into our equation. So now I want you to do the try-its on your own, and then you'll check your answers with mine.